Moving on to the cleanup geometry. Okay, in the cleanup geometry, we are going to do something very interesting, which is we're going to open up a drawing from the web, and we're going to go ahead and apply a cleanup, which is basically an extension of the AI. Let's see how that works. There you go. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and go to where is that? I believe that it's in Collaborate. Here it is. Geometry cleanup. Okay, a dialog box appears for us. Okay, in which case this particular dialog box, we go ahead and say select, and we're going to select a section in here, not the whole thing, so it doesn't take that long. Once we have that selection set already or rather isolated by the selection, you hit the enter key, and you're looking at the ways that it's going to go ahead and use the geometry cleanup in the instances of tolerances. That's what it's using. It's using tolerances. So when you look at this particular section in here, you see that it's got a minus or less than rather, and or equal to. So if it's less than or 0.5 or point of or less than or equal to 0.15, it'll use it. If not, it won't use it. So these are actually being looked at in the reference of your tolerances. You can turn them on and off as you wish using the X value here, or going ahead and turning them on as you wish or up here if in this particular set. Okay, once that's all done, you can say scan it, and it gives you a list of all of the items that are actually selected in this particular set. Let's go ahead and say and open up and see what the set for the remaining errors in here, which are 26, and we have them all isolated very nicely. Okay, then we go ahead and see, let's show me some gaps. And let's say, show me this particular gap, and it takes me to the gap. Not only does it take me to the gap, but if I right click here, it also gives me some sample of solutions that are available for this particular error that we're looking at. Not only can we do it on the particular dialog box that appears here, but we can also do the same thing up here in the actual drawing area. We can actually come up here and then select whatever it is that we want to select, and then it goes ahead and does it. Once it's done, it removes it from the list, and all you have to really do is just say, okay, I'm done, and it continues to move forward. As you can see this right here, very useful little tool called the geometry cleanup, found in the manage tab in the cleanup panel. Let's move forward.